Hello everyone. Panchayat Amendment Bill 2020. So Assam Legislative Assembly has on Thursday passed the much awaited Assam Panchayat Amendment Bill 2023 by voice vote on the fourth day of this autumn session. So we have to know that what this bill focuses on. So you can see here Panchayat Amendment Bill as it is passed. Now it's going to act. Now actually this particular amendment bill tries to bring, or you can say amendment of certain provisions of the Assam Panchayat Act 1994. So we have to remember that the amendments are both to the Assam Panchayat Act 1994. Now, some of the important provisions which are being added are like indirect elections for the post of president in the Gaon Panchayat. New Gaon Panchayat president will be elected from the 10 GP members. Then introduction of political symbol in elections of the Zilla Parishad and Anchalik Panchayat. No party symbols for candidates contesting GP election. So no party symbols for candidates contesting Gaon Panchayat election. Remember this. This is a very important point. Then no confidence motion cannot be initiated for the first 2.5 years of the term of the president and vice president of Gaon Panchayat, Anchalik Panchayat, and Zilla Panchayat. Parishad, sorry. So what happens is whenever some if Gaon Panchayat is being brought to dissolution in the midst of that, means say 2.5 years, then the new will be actually elected only for the remaining 2.5 years of term. So that's a major drawback. So that is being tried to modify or amended with this particular provision that no confidence motion cannot be initiated for first 2.5 years of the term of president and vice president of Gaon Panchayat, Anchalik Panchayat, and Zilla Parishad. Then reservation of seats for SC/ST by rotation in wards of Gaon Panchayats having more than 10% ST population. So 10% SC/ST population, if in a particular Gaon Panchayat have more than 10% SC/ST population, then what happens? Reservation of seats will be on rotation basis. Then constitution of ward sabha, then categorization of districts to be on the basis of population density and reorganization of Gaon Panchayats to be done accordingly. Means now you know about delimitation, right? So this particular thing being brought here also, categorization of district to be done on the basis of population density and reorganization of Gaon Panchayats to be done accordingly. State level Panchayat, you can say state level recruitment commission to conduct grade 3 and grade 4 recruitment exam in Panchayat. So these are the major points that we have to know. That's all for today.